Asus never fails to surprise us with phones that's feature packed and insanely small. And this is no doubt a feature packed phone with pretty great design and a binoculars type design, which I like to call it, and a screen with a fingerprint on the side, not on the screen, like under display. And the cameras is a pretty good talk in here. It has a gimbal stabilizer, which stabilizes your video anywhere. It has a pretty great stabilization as it's a gimbal again. And one thing came to notice that it can't keep the same exposure and it has difference to it. Well, it's powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, the latest chip that they have and the most powerfulest one. It is impressively the strongest chip available on the smartphone market, at least Android. And cooling, it's a bigger cooling vaporized chamber. It has more cooling. Well, the speakers, it's a dual stereo speakers as usual. Headphone jack, that's pretty impressive. Samsung's OLED display, which has 120 Hz, and the battery is pretty decent again. 4300 mAh all day battery life. That's a pretty buff battery for a small phone. I guess that's all. Quick summary of the phone. I've been talking too quick. See you guys next time.